In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable the microphone in Google Chrome. If you've ever struggled with getting your microphone to work correctly for video calls or online meetings, don't worry. I'll guide you through each step to ensure your microphone is set up properly in your Chrome browser. Let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. This is the initial step, and you'll want to ensure it's up and running before we dive into the settings. Once Chrome is open, direct your attention to the top right corner of the window. Here, you'll see 3 vertical dots, which represent the menu button. Give those a click. Now, from the menu that appears, you'll need to select Settings. This is where we'll find all the options we need to customize how Chrome operates, including how it manages hardware like your microphone. On the left panel of the Settings menu, you'll see several options. Click on Privacy and Security. This section controls how your information is protected and how Chrome interacts with your device's various permissions. Next, look for Site Settings within the Privacy and Security section and click on it. This area allows you to manage permissions for each site you visit through Chrome, including whether they can access features like your camera and microphone. Now, scroll down until you find the option labeled Microphone. Click on it and you'll be directed to a page where you can adjust your microphone settings. If you have more than one microphone connected to your device, this is the point where you'll choose your preferred microphone from the drop-down menu. Doing so ensures that Chrome uses the correct microphone when accessing sites that require audio input. Once you've selected the appropriate microphone, you'll see a toggle switch next to the statement, "Sites can ask to use your microphone." Make sure to turn this switch on. By doing this, you allow websites to request access to your microphone. Each time a site wants to use it, you'll be prompted for permission, which you can grant on a case-by-case basis. And there you have it. You've successfully enabled your microphone in Google Chrome. Ensuring that your microphone is properly set up in your browser is essential for seamless communication during online activities, like video calls or voice chats. Feel free to dive into your favorite web-based communication tools, knowing your setup is right where it needs to be. If you experience any issues, revisit these settings and make sure everything is configured just as we've described. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful to you. If you enjoyed it or found it useful, be sure to give us a like or subscribe for more guides just like this one. See you in the next video.